have Lisa Loud, founder and CEO of FLUIDEFI, presenting today at the BNB Chain Infium Founders Academy with her investor presentation. Welcome, Lisa.
Thanks, Mariana. So today I'm presenting to you our exciting innovations in DeFi. We are so thrilled that we finally found the solution to making DeFi accessible to everybody. So let me start with a quick intro about me. My name is Lisa Loud. I'm the co-founder and CEO of FLUIDEFI. My background is from Apple. I worked with Steve Jobs. I was really inspired by Steve to make products that no one else has thought of, make products that change our reality. And I always knew I wanted to be an entrepreneur. Then I worked at PayPal, and then I moved into crypto and was at BitMEX, where we were doing exactly that. We were making new products and Shapeshift. And then about 3 years ago, I realized it's time. I can make this product because I see the need in DeFi for better tools and better accessibility, and I can make something that will change the world. And so that's how I got here today. Very honored to be one of the Cointelegraph Top 100 influencers for 2023 in crypto. And really, my co-founder is a perfect co-founder for me. He's from the FBI and IBM. He has a very big background in cybersecurity and making big data work for large institutions and banks. So today in DeFi, everything's very chaotic. There are over 17,000 protocols that you can use, and there have been so many hacks in just this year alone, 134. There are liquidity pools all over the place that aren't working, that aren't real, that are scams, that are rug pulls. How do you navigate through all of this, and how do you come to a place where you can actually be profitable and successful in DeFi? Well, what we've built is a platform that has accuracy. So we have a patent pending system to get accurate data on the DeFi space, on liquidity pools. And we're proud to say we have 100% accuracy. It's very important for doing any kind of real trading. You need to have accuracy. And then we have management of risk. We're doing over 7,500 smart contract audits on the tokens that exist in our platform, or that we cover in our platform. And we can tell you what the vulnerabilities are in each and every one of them, what line of code, and what it means for you for investing in it. I'm very excited to talk to you about how easy we've made it, so we'll come back to that. And then we also have algorithmic trading, which up until now has not been possible to do algorithmic trading, where it trades on your behalf even when you're sleeping if the market changes. We believe this is a huge opportunity, $730 billion in this space. In the near term, there's pretty much, we expect to have 400 million in subscriptions, and then the market size is it's almost $2 billion now, just in what we can offer for DeFi. I used Bloomberg Terminal for this, just to compare as a comparison. 325,000 subscribers in Bloomberg right now. So if you think about the world of if you think about the internet, it's moving to Web3 because people want to have access to their own data. The same thing is inevitable in finance. People want to have access and control of their own finances. So we're going to see this is inevitable. It's a process that is happening. Decentralized finance is coming. FLUIDEFI is just positioning itself. We're positioning ourselves so that we're ready for that transfer of wealth as it occurs. So what I'm really excited to tell you about today is the DeFi assistant that we have. It's a companion to our product. And if you use our DeFi assistant, first of all, it'll ask you can ask it any questions. You can ask it to teach you about DeFi. You can ask it what to invest in, what tokens are up, what the TVL changes are, what big wallets are doing in this space today, this week. And then you can ask it specific questions like, I want to improve my portfolio. Can you help me improve my portfolio? And it will actually give you suggestions for how to improve your portfolio. And then it'll offer you some options for actually doing the work. Like it will say, how about this pool? This pool matches the criteria that you just explained to me. Then you can say, yes, I want to go into that pool. Please allocate some of my capital into that pool. And since we're connected with your wallet, we're wallet connected here, we can actually have the AI do the deployment of capital, put the liquidity into that pool for you, and then add it to your portfolio and track it. So this is a game changer for DeFi. Up until now, there's only 0.1% of the population who's in DeFi because it's so difficult and so hard to get into it and understand what to do. So now, with this simple text-generated interface, people can actually not need to know any of the details. All they do, it's like creating a website. If you say, I want to create a website that looks like this, you don't need to know all the protocols, all the HTML, CSS that goes into that. You just say, this is what I want. Same with this. It'll allow you to skip all of that step, all of that learning curve, and just go straight to investing in DeFi based on your own criteria. This is an add-on to other GPTs, so it'll be compatible with Bard and ChatGPT, even Bloomberg GPT. And we have hourly updates, so the model is very, very accurate, up to the minute data that you'll be using to make your decisions. Today's DeFi landscape is very complicated. There are different players who build strategies, who backtest models, and who manage portfolios, but none of them has this, none of them has all three of those put together, and none of them has the actual GPT text interface that allows you to do it easily. We have great traction. We have a joint product coming out with Google in late 2023. We're the only company in the world to provide Google with Web3 data. The rest of it they get internally. We're working on a joint product release with Ernst & Young and Deloitte as well, and which allows them to serve their clients better with accounting, financial reporting. And then we're managing at the moment, on our platform is managed $200 million non-custodially, but our customers are managing that much on FLUIDEFI and making profit with it. We see these revenue streams as being the three parts to our three-legged stool. We have trading products, financial reports, and then data streaming. And our vision is really to provide DeFi tools to the world and lead the way in bringing accurate metrics and ease of use to the general population as well as institutional investors in DeFi. Thank you for your time. We would love for you to join us in our mission. We're raising a seed round right now on a safe note, and we have 25% of the round filled. We're looking for $3 million more to build the rest of the product, to increase the protocols that we have, and to fully train our AI assistant. That's it. Thank you.
Awesome. Wow, this is so cool. Now, good job.